你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Big Bang Vocab. Here, you can learn and expand your vocabulary in an easy and fun way. Today, we are going to talk about Super Bowl. 超级碗 Super Bowl. 超 first tone. 级 second tone. 超级 super. 碗 third tone means ball. Super Bowl. 超级碗，超级碗，超级碗。Hi Ellie， 明天在我家有超级碗派对，你来吗 ？Hi Ellie, I will have a Super Bowl party at home tomorrow. Will you come? 太好了，没问题。Great, no problem. 球队 team， 球 second tone， 队 fourth tone， 球队。你喜欢哪个球队 ？Which team is your favorite? 我喜欢绿湾包装工队。I like Green Bay Packers, and I love Aaron Rodgers. He was the MVP last year. 绿湾包装工队 ，Green Bay Packers. 绿 fourth tone, 湾 first tone. 绿湾 means Green Bay. 包 first tone, 装。First tone, 工 first tone, 包装工 means Packers. 队 fourth tone, 队 is short for 球队 team. 我喜欢绿湾包装工队 I love Green Bay Packers. 去年超级碗的冠军是哪个队 Which team was the Super Bowl champion last year? 你不知道绿湾包装工队啊You don't know? It was Green Bay Packers. 冠军 champion. 冠 fourth tone. 军 first tone. 冠军。你猜今年谁会是超级碗的冠军 ？Make a guess. Which team will be the Super Bowl champion this year? 肯定是包装工队啊 Definitely the Green Bay Packers. Did you grow up in Wisconsin?达阵 touchdown 达 second tone 阵 fourth tone 达阵达阵达阵好球达阵 It was a great catch touchdown Oh yes Okay, it's your turn Upload your recording and tell me 你喜欢哪个球队 Which team is your favorite?Don't forget to let me know what topic you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。艾莉，去年的超级碗冠军是哪个队啊？绿湾包装工队啊。What are they talking about? Last year's Super Bowl champion.Ellie's favorite team. This year's Super Bowl party. Please choose the best answer.